evening, Pooja.
Very good evening. And how are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And what about you?
Yeah, I am also fit as a fiddle. Thanks for asking. Okay.
Yeah. So,
Mhm.
Pooja, we are meeting first time. So, would you introduce yourself?
Yeah, of course. Sure. My name is Pooja Sahu. I am talking to you from Delhi. If talk about my qualification, so I completed my 10 pass CBSE board from Delhi 2013. Simultaneously, I have done basic computer courses. Apart from this, I am learning this language, and I want to brush up my communication. That is why I am here. And I am married. I am homemaker. So yeah, that's it all about me.
Yeah, that's great.
Okay,
Okay. So,
great.
yeah, Pooja, I have started a series for those who are just thinking about learning English, but they are not able to start their journey. So, when did you start your journey? So, will you explain it?
Yeah, of course. I want to explain about this question. So, you know what? I have been learning this language for 1 year. If talk about my speaking journey, so 6 years, 7 months is going on right now. I'm learning this. I'm learning this language. I'm not fluent speaker, but I'm learning
Yeah.
on that.
Okay. So how did you start your journey? Like, what was the first step? Did you start with the grammar, or did you start with listening podcast or watching English content, or how did you start
Okay,
speaking?
and no. Only how can you start with speaking as long as you don't know grammar pattern, right? First of all, you have to working speaking and how to speak, how they are speaking this language, right? So because I knew grammar pattern, present, past, and future related. I knew, and on the basic tense. I used to start watching, Sunshine channel. They provide 5 minutes and 10 minutes steps of they provide. So I used
Ah,
to this type of videos. I love to watch, and whatever I, right now I'm able to speak because of that, channel. And as long as, yeah, simultaneously I used to watch, conversation, how they are speaking, how to convey my thought, how to introduce myself in front of other. So yeah, that's how I am learning this language, and I learning this language.
okay. So do you have children?
No, I don't have any children, so that is why I didn't mention.
Okay. So I just want to role play that you are a mother. So I am a kid. So how will you manage me how will you teach me that how English is important, but doesn't matter. It's okay. So we can continue our conversation with this. Okay. So tell me, like, every day, how do you practice? You are practice with your co-learners, or apart from that, you are practicing with anyone, like, or any app or like that?
No, apart from school, I don't use any other application. And on this app are lots of co-learner. So I talk with the different people, and I read book sometimes, and I take session, and as well as I write on. I love to write on where I don't know, so I love to write on and try to understand, those vocabulary and structures. So these type of yeah, I love to write on my notebook and revise those sentence.
Yeah, that's great. Like, you are consistent about learning. You are good in writing, because whenever you are writing, so definitely your mind has time that you can recollect your thoughts and vocabulary and all the stuff. It is good. So, like, you are learning vocabulary like this, or how do you speak, or how do you use that vocabulary in your conversation? When you learn any vocabulary word or any vocabulary, how do you use that vocabulary
you
or
know when,
practice?
Whenever you connect different people, deliberately you have to use new vocabulary in your conversation. So what happens, 2 3 times you are using, you are incorporate those vocabulary, automatically you will be remember forever. There is no need to mug up any vocabulary.
Yeah, that's true. Whenever you are talking to anyone and you are listening at least 3 4 times, you are listening to them. Okay, they are using that word, so automatically you will be able to speak those words. Okay, that's great. Okay, so tell me something about pronunciation. That because we know about the pronunciation, its role is big whenever it comes to speak. So how do you learn pronunciation, or you are going like okay, my pronunciation is okay.
I can't say about the pronunciation because I make mistake. While speaking, I want to say something, but unfortunately I start I speak something else. So it happens. I am not. I can't say I am good at speak pronunciation.
Yeah,
Yeah, pronunciation. So it's okay, and I can say so so.
yeah, that's great. It's okay whenever we like as you told me about vocabulary. So whenever we are listening to anyone from their like a vocabulary, so definitely like this pronunciation is also like that. That whenever the person is pronounce a word, so we can listen to that person and then we can repeat that vocabulary word or anything else. So in this way we can learn. Okay, so tell me one thing more that final tip you can share with our co-learner who are just thinking about learning English, but they are not able to take their first step towards their English. So, final tip: how they can start their speaking portion.
Yeah, first of all, I want to say every beginner, whether you are speaking right or wrong, it doesn't matter. You have to speak up. If you know about the grammar pattern, present, past, and future, then you have to speak. And mostly we are speaking related to present, past, and future, right? So
True.
we have to strong in that. We have to be strong basic tense. After that you have to speak. You should try to speak English language. Yeah, that's it I can say. Because and listening, and it's a very imperative listening. Okay. And whenever you get times, you have to listen proper, consistently, every concept, and try to imitate those sentence. So it would be very it would be how can say, it would be better for every beginners. Because that's same thing, everyone, they are learning English language. And other way, so you can learn English language, and this is the best way to speak English language. And first you have to try to speaking, and you have to four activities we have to do, like listening, speaking, reading, writing. Okay. So mostly people, they don't feel like reading and writing. So it's okay. You can keep aside, but you have to two activities. You should do, like listening and speaking. It's enough,
Speaking. That is must.
right?
True. True what you have said. So that's nice to talk to you, Pooja, and thank you for giving your valuable time and sharing your insights with me and with our co-learners. So definitely it will help them that who are just thinking about learning or speaking, but they are not taking any steps. So definitely if they will watch our videos, so they will learn something that how we can start our beginning portion. So thank you and nice to talk to you.
Yeah, I am also likewise. I am also